All right, guys, back at it on 3/16 Tuesday. We're taking another look at the Ford stock. So this is a capture that I took this morning around 10 or 11 minutes after the market had opened, and I could tell that Ford was going to have a red day today, have a little bit of a pullback towards that 200 MA. In the first minute, it had a green candle that went up to the 1310 range that quickly sold off, and it was trading below the $13 range. It was a sign that it was going to be going down today, and I knew to get out of it then, and I was going to try to reposition myself lower than 1250 or maybe even 1230. So I just watched the market after I got out there in the first few minutes. And let's start with, why should we be trading Ford right now? Why would you want to trade ticker symbol F Ford right now? Well, today it had a really high volume. It was the second highest volume in the New York Stock Exchange today. So let's take a look here. There you go, 125 million shares traded. It's a lot of movement today. And when you look at the long-term pattern, you can kind of understand why there would be so much volume happening right now. Ford is getting into a range that it hasn't traded in a long time, really. Above this $12 range is kind of uncharted territory, but you could see why you'd want to be part of that. Oops, we'll go back to the 6 month there. So the underlying pattern that I'm trading is this bullish. It's actually kind of a bull flag pattern, and my price target overall, my long-term price target is $15. It could go higher after that, but after $15, I would expect there to be a correction. At least I'm not going to be swing trading it after that point. And the reason why my target is $15 is the low that it reached down here is about $8.50, and it topped out around 12, which is the difference of about $3.50 before it pulled back to this. It kind of pulled back and eventually stabilized on this $11.50, not that one, this line right here. And so from $11.50, $3.50, up from that would bring you to $15. It's a nice round number. I think it's going to be a strong psychological price point. I would say that we're going to have pullbacks to this. Actually, this is the 20 EMA on the 6 month daily. I would expect pullbacks to that, or another way to look at that would be the 30-minute, 20-day, the 200 MA on that is a good sign. I do expect it to cross through that a little bit, and I'm looking to get back in around 1230. I actually have a buy set up for 1230, so I'm just going to be looking when the market opens tomorrow. And if it seems like it has a lot of momentum, I'll probably cancel that buy and see where it goes, and wait until I see some green below this MA to get back in. Because I am expecting it. I'm still trading on a long-term bullish trend here. It's just you have to expect these kind of pullbacks, and I'll throw this in a channel just like this guy here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content, and let me know if I should keep doing these daily videos on Ford stock.